Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a simple tank game. So here you go. So for the red player, you use A and D to turn around, and the W key to move forward, and the S key to move backwards. For the blue player, you use the right arrow key and left arrow key to turn around, up arrow and down arrow to move. And for the red player, I pick the Y key. If you press the Y key, it'll shoot, and the blue lives will go down by 1. And then it's the same for the blue. I press M, and then there's the blue bullet. And if player loses, the blue still plays and can enjoy everything. So let's make it. Open project. First things first, delete the Scartch cat. Let's go to sprite, paint the sprite, and then what I'm going to do here is we'll pick this color, this gray color here. Zoom in, and then we'll make the tires outline 4, and then we'll copy and paste it. We'll put it here, and then we'll do this out in the middle, and then we'll make a red color. We'll hold down shift to make a perfect square. We'll make this, and then we'll add the here, and then add it right here. So that's our red character. So now we'll go to code. We'll name this red, and then events. When green flag clicked, we will say, we'll make a variable. We'll call it move speed for the sprite only, and then we'll set move speed to 0. Make another variable. We will call it turn speed for the sprite only. We'll set turn speed to 0, and then actually we don't need turn speed, sorry, we'll hide move speed. So we'll go to x negative 100, y negative 0. Try that. That's to say 180. That's good. So, and we'll point direction 90. Control forever. If key up arrow pressed, then we'll change move speed by 0.2, and then we'll duplicate this. Then for down arrow, we'll change move speed by -0.2, and then we'll set move speed to move speed times 0.9, and then we will move speed. Let's test that out. There you go. There was a little friction there. So now we will go to control, go into if key if this is the red color, we'll change this to W, down arrow to S. If here we'll put D pressed, then we will turn 2 degrees, copy that, we'll change it to A, and then we'll turn 2 degrees anti-clockwise. So let's try it, and there you go, that's cool, so cool. So now we'll make a wall for the red team. We will make an outline, just draw a simple wall. There you go. So we call this red wall. It's code. When green flag clicked, forever. We'll put this here. We will go to X, -95, Y, 0. Got it? There you go. Let's go back to red. So now we have a problem here. We can still go through the walls. Let's fix that. So we're going to do here, if touching red wall, then we'll add another wall. No, we'll leave that. If touching red wall, then we have to change move speed operators, the times, variables, move speed times -1. Try that. There you go, we can't go to the walls. And we'll do the same to the S key. There you go. So now we should go backwards. We can't do it too. But if you turn, you can still. So that is the problem. So we'll go to control. If hatching red wall, then we'll duplicate this. Turn 2 degrees. Turn anti-clockwise 2 degrees. And then do the same here. And there you go. So let's try this. Okay, so now you can't turn when you touch it. That's great. Oh, that's a problem. Can't go backwards. Wait. Oh. I think we'll just delete these two, because we can go back if we can't do that. Just go back. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next part. Bye.